Right, at Norwich Station, we've got a Mark 3 set now arriving from London Liverpool Street. Here it comes. Right, we've got a turbostar unit now, arriving to Norwich Station from Cambridge. It's 17201, arriving from Cambridge. Right, we've now got the 1530 service to London Liverpool Street, now setting off. Off it goes. Accelerating away into the distance. Once every 201 again, now departing this time, working the 1540 service to Cambridge. Off it goes. Right, at the same time we've got a 156 unit arriving into platform 4. Here it comes. It's 156416. Right, we've got 156416 heading to Sheringham, and the Mark 3 set arriving from London Liverpool Street. Well timed crossover, that one. Right, now got the 1548 service to Liverpool Lime Street, now getting underway. Off it goes. It's 1588862. On its way to Liverpool Lime Street. An unusual tone from the driver. In that case, thank you very much. Right, we've got the 1600 service to London Liverpool Street, about to depart. Off it goes. Here comes another East Midlands Trains Class 158 unit, arriving from Liverpool Lime Street. Here it comes. 158777. Right, we got 17208, accelerating away, working the 1638 service to Cambridge. Off it goes, en route to Cambridge. Right, we've got another 156 unit now, arriving into platform 4. It's 156402. Right, we've got 153314 about to depart, working the 1645 service to Sheringham. Off it goes. Fairly full of passengers, this one. No surprise really when it's a one coach train working an evening peak service. Off it goes. Right, so that is all we have got time for, so I hope you enjoyed watching this video and enjoy the rest of your day. And until the next time, goodbye.